Hello, this is Oleg with OpenBOM. In my short video today, I want to demonstrate you event-driven change mechanism that exists in OpenBOM components, and it is embedded inside of collaboration mode of product structures and bill of materials. So what you see in front of you, you see two OpenBOM instances running inside of browser. And they are simulating the collaboration between two people that are making simultaneous changes in this bill of materials. Now, keep in mind that I will demonstrate it to work only with two people, but in fact, it can be one person who is making changes in the price, and another can be changes stream that imported from the CAD system. So OpenBOM digital thread mechanism allows to collect all changes that come in from different data sources. And I will demonstrate it to you with the simple example. Now we have bill of materials changes, and I can make changes, but we have also simultaneously formulas that recalculating values. So let's make a simple change, making the quantity change to 10. As you can see, at the same time, a different browser make a change 10. The quantity was recalculated, but what is mostly important is that OpenBOM product structure components are capturing all this history, and you can see all this history recorded, and you can see all this editing, and you can see the total cost is set to 12, and the quantity was changed to 10 from 2. So what you can see is the event-driven mechanism that works with triggers and allows collaboration between these two browsers, two users that can be located in different places. But most importantly, those are not only two browsers, but it could be one browser and REST API endpoint that injecting data from CAD system. So what is important here, you can see the technology and mechanism that allows you to combine change streams coming to digital thread from different places, storing all this information in graph database, and forming a product knowledge graph in OpenBOM. So thank you very much, and I will come more with more examples.